Black Friday weekend here at GigaParts Technology Superstore in Huntsville, Alabama. We are in the astronomy department. We've got one of our experts, Don, here, who just finished putting together and unboxing this telescope. Tell us a little bit about it.
It's a 5-inch Schmidt-Cassegrain. It's a very nice little telescope, $5.99, and it took me about 10 minutes to assemble it out of the box.
Oh, wow. And the best feature about this one?
Well, the main thing is it's got this Star Sense feature. It allows you to put your smartphone on top of it, and you download their special software, and it helps you to find things in the sky.
Oh, excellent. And we have a variety here of Celestron Star Sense telescopes. So what's sort of the difference in this group of telescopes?
Well, basically, there are different price points. You've got one here that's got an 8-inch aperture. It's more expensive because it's a bigger telescope, more power. These others are slightly smaller, but they all have the Star Sense feature, and they're all appropriately priced to the aperture and the capabilities of the telescope.
All right, fantastic. Some great deals this Black Friday weekend in our astronomy department. Come on down to GigaParts Technology Superstore or check us out, gigaparts.com.